Okay, the next letter is Laam. This is Laam. How to write Laam? Like this. Very simple. Okay. This is Laam. Laam for Laylun. Laylun means night. Laam for Lisanun. Lisanun means tongue. Laam for Laymunun means lemon. Laam for Labanun means milk. Okay. Laam, Laylun, night. Laam, Lisanun, tongue. Laam, Laymunun, lemon. Laam, Labanun, milk. The next letter is Meem. How to write Meem? Like this or like this. These are correct ways of writing Meem. Okay, the words with Meem. Meem for Matarun means rain. Meem for Ma'un means water. Meem for Miftahun. Miftahun means key. Meem for Mushtun. Mushtun means comb. Meem for Matarun means rain. Meem for Ma'un means water. Meem for Miftahun means key. Meem for Mushtun means comb. Next letter is Noon. How to write Noon? Like this. Like this. With a dot. Like this. Okay? So, the words with Noon are Noon for Najmun means stars. Noon for Nasrun. Nasrun means eagle. Noon for Nakhlatun. Nakhlatun means palm tree. Noon for Nahrun. Nahrun means river. Noon for Najmun means stars. Noon for Nasrun means eagle. Noon for Nakhlatun means palm tree. Noon for Nahrun means river. Okay. Next letter is Waaw. Waaw for Waladun. Waladun means boy. Waaw for Wujuhun. Wujuhun means faces. Waaw for Wardatun. Wardatun means rose. Waaw for Waraqun. Waraqun means page. Okay. Waaw for Waladun means boy. Waaw Wujuhun faces. Waaw Wardatun rose. Waaw Waraqun means page. Okay, let's see how to write Waaw. Like this. Just like inverted small letter E. Okay. Next letter is Ha. This is Ha. Ha for Hirrun. Hirrun means cat. Ha for Hatifun. Hatifun means phone. Ha for Hindu. Hindu means India. Ha for Hadiyatun. Hadiyatun means present. Okay. Ha for Hirrun. Hirrun means cat. Ha for Hatifun means phone. Ha for Hindu, India. Ha for Hadiyatun means present. Now let's see how to write Ha. This is very simple. Like this. And done. Okay. Now the next and the last letter is Ya. Let's say the words. Ya for Yawmun. Yawmun means day. Ya for Yaqutun. Yaqutun means ruby. Ya for yamamatun. Yamamatun means dove. Ya for yadun. Yadun means hand. Okay, let's see once again. Ya for yawmun means day. Ya for yaqutun means ruby. Ya for yamamatun means dove. Ya for yadun means hand. Now let's see how to write this letter. Like this. Like this. Okay. Now let's practice these new 6 letters. We have to do the same task. Identify the pictures and write the letters associated with these. Pause the video and try doing it yourself. Alright, now the first picture is of a palm tree. Remember the word? Nakhlatun. Nakhlatun with noon. Next is a picture of a lemon. Laymunun with Laam. Okay? Next is present or gift. Hadiyatun. Hadiyatun with ha. Hadiyatun with ha. Next is a key. Miftahun with Meem. Then we have a picture of ruby. Yaqutun with ya. Yaqutun means ruby. Then we have a boy. Waladun with wow. Then it's a picture of night. Laylatun with lam. Then we have a picture of an eagle. Nasratun. Nasratun with noon means eagle. Then it is a hand. Yadun with ya. This is a cat. Hirrun with ha. Then we have a picture of a rose. Vardatun with wow. This is water. Ma'un. Ma'un with meem. Alright. Now, as we have learned all the 28 letters, it's time for us to revise all the letters together.